How's Jacob Zuma holding up in prison? Is he happy? Mzwanele Manyi says very serious issues are taking a toll on him. Jacob Zuma's spokesperson Mzwanele Manyi has shed some light on the former president's condition in prison, saying he is having serious issues there. Zuma is serving a 15-month jail sentence for contempt of court at the Estcourt Correctional Centre in KwaZulu-Natal. He was handed the sentence by the Court last month after failing to appear at the state capture inquiry. Speaking to Breaking News on Tuesday, Manyi said Zuma was struggling with his physical well-being because of his age. Former President Zuma is a man with a very strong heart, but the prison conditions are never good for a person that is approaching his 80th birthday. He is having very serious issues, said Manyi. He said people have been friendly to Zuma, but prison was taking a toll on him psychologically. We cannot complain about the treatment he is receiving in the cells. People are friendly to him, but the psychological impact is taking a toll on him. So this is not a happy situation. There is no way of trying to paint it nice. It's just not a happy situation, because he is sitting there with a heavy heart, and his health is not enhanced by conditions the government has put him in, quote, he said. On Tuesday, the KwaZulu-Natal High Court postponed Zuma's fraud and corruption trial to August 10. Judge AKHONA made the order after hearing arguments on Monday from Zuma's lawyers, who were seeking a postponement for 2 to 3 weeks. On social media, Zuma's daughter Dlathu welcomed the news and shared a video honoring her father,